Hey, let me show you how to set up your own People Insights profile and how to learn more about meeting participants when you're in a meeting. Your People Insights profile helps others to learn about you during a meeting without having to pause for introductions. You can set up and manage your profile from your Webex site in Modern View. Select your name at the top right of the screen, select My Profile, and then click View My People Insights profile. You can also create or edit your profile directly from people.webex.com, even if you don't have a Webex account. Here, you can add anything that you want others to know about you. Enter or edit your name and title. To add or update your profile picture, click Add Photo. Browse for a file or drag one into the window, and then click Save. To add your work or education history, click Add Current Position, Add Past Position, or Add Education. And then enter your information. Click the X next to any information you want to delete. Add links to your social media accounts so people can view your other profiles from a meeting. Only the links to your social media accounts are viewable. No information is taken, collected, or displayed from your accounts. If you don't want people to see any specific details in your profile, click Hide next to the detail you don't want to show. If you don't want people to see your profile at all, click Hide Everything. Click Unhide Everything to show your profile in meetings again. When you have your profile set the way that you want it, click Save. Once you've saved your People Insights profile, you can make further edits right away. When you join a meeting from the Webex Meetings desktop app, you can learn about the people attending. Open the Participants panel and select the Learn More About This Participant icon next to the person's name. You can also open a person's profile by clicking on the Learn More About This Participant icon in their thumbnail. The person's profile opens within the Participants panel. Their profile can include information such as their title, work and education history, and links to their social media accounts. If the person is in your organization, their profile may include details from the internal directory, such as work location and reporting structure. To learn more about where a person works, click the Company tab in their profile. To view your own profile, click the View My People Insights profile icon. You can make further edits right away, or you can return to the Edit page at any time during a meeting from the Participants panel. Give it a try!